Hello, I'm Carlos Munguia, and welcome to this segment of Quince Noticias News. Right now, we're going to check out a video game development camp where kids make video games from scratch. Hello, I'm here with the directors of the project. I'm here with Dr. Maggie Seth El Nasser and Dr. Tony Magoli. Let me ask you, what roles do you guys play in this project?
Well, we both are instructors of the Game Dev Camp during this 3 months. We both have developed the curriculum as well as conducted the entire class.
And next, what is this game development camp about? What are we expecting today?
So the game development camp is a process of basically teaching kids how to build games using tools, that mostly industry-based tools. So they do a lot of things from concept inception, figuring out what they want to build, what kind of game they want to build, also how to build it from very beginning in concept inception, and as well as programming it, building the art content for it, building the physics, the math, everything behind building the gameplay, and testing it and showing it. That's what they will show us at the end of this session.
And importance of education and how to use mathematics and physics in games. Because when they want to make their games, they say, how can I do this, how can I do that? Just so you have to go back to your math and physics, and you understand it's very important, because when you want to make your game, you need to use them here.
Are you familiar with any other big video game companies or industries?
Yeah, we work with Electronic Arts. I have about 25 students at Simon Fraser University working with different companies from Electronic Arts, Bardell Entertainment, Radico Entertainment, Relic Entertainment. We've been talking with many of the big companies in Vancouver, San Francisco, and LA. So we've been in the industry since 1999. So we know a lot of people in the industry.
And what we did, we introduced to students through Skype, and they talk to those professors or industry people as well. This is a great chance for them, because it's not easy for them to talk with industry people.
Okay. Excellent. And now for my next one. So what do you think about Mexico's youth and video games?
Well, I think the industry is growing. Everybody gets connected through games, and we've been playing games since childhood. Not only video games, but we play also card games. Everybody plays games of some kind. Now video games are kind of changing the market. A lot of people are now getting into video games, both in US, Canada, Mexico, everywhere around the world. Now Mexican government has been putting a lot of money into serious games and games for entertainment as well, and we're seeing maybe around 2 companies already in the Guadalajara and La Cruz area here in around Puerto Vallarta. So it is growing, and I think a lot of people are going to start to go into programs with video games, and they should start from middle school and high school.
That's why we are here, to start this, be a pioneer about game design in Mexico.
Excellent. That sounds very exciting. And that leads to my next question. What are your future plans for Mexico?
We'd love to come back here,
Yes.
and we have several workshops. We started with 2D, introduction to game design, introduction to the process of game design, but we want to build on that and do 3D, as well as do other more advanced workshops, and also do it with more kids. We'd like to introduce that process and development and creativity process to a lot more kids.
I think we should start putting the seeds right now for the future of Mexico. And that's what we are trying to do. And then after that, they can go to industry, they can go to university, study game design, because sooner or later, these games is going to be in curriculum in all the schools around the world. The sooner Mexico starts, is better. And we're excited to do that for Mexico.
Perfect. Well, there you have it, folks. And personally, I'm very excited to check out these games that we have today. Thank you.
¿Sabías que los niños con más de un idioma tienen ventajas sobre los estudiantes que tienen uno solo? En primaria, pizarrones interactivos multimedia. Secundaria y bachillerato con aulas multimedia y uso de laptop. Los únicos con alberca olímpica. Desde preescolar, hasta bachillerato, tenemos el programa bilingüe y el avanzado. AMCO, el programa de inglés y español mucho más fácil y efectivo que métodos tradicionales. AMCO está presente en México, en España y en el Colegio México-Americano. 221-3360. Growing Strong.
Colegio México-Americano. Gente con integridad.